hello, hi everyone. Wait a second, let me just tie my hair. It is so hot right now and I'm just sweating, so I thought, like, why not just tie it? I am feeling really hot and it's really humid in Goa, so let me just tie this up. And here we go. Now I'm ready. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new vlog. It's me, Michelle, and this channel is all about fashion hauls, vlogs, travels and much more. So today in this video I'm gonna be doing a ZARA haul. So here is the package that I received. Actually, I got this, I ordered this by myself, nothing sponsored or something, but I ordered my ZARA after a very long time, and this is the Christmas edition. So basically I just ordered a few things that I was eyeing for a long time. So here is the package, and there is sale going on ZARA just recently, so I ordered a bunch of stuff. So without wasting time, let's move on to the video, and I just picked up some amazing pieces. So without wasting, let's go into it. So first type I have are these brown sandals that I recently showed you, and I'm just showing it again. So I got these brown sandals from ZARA and these were on sale just a month ago, so I just picked these up, and it's having gold detailing with 3 straps, and these are nice and flattering, and I got these on sale. So this was for like 25 pounds and I got these for like 13 pounds. So it was really nice. I got these for 1300. So I ordered there, so I'm just used to saying in pounds now. So these are nice and aesthetic, and I totally love the fit of this. It's not giving me shoe bites, nothing. These are just really perfect. So I just got these brown ones and I already used them, like it's really dirty from the other side. And I got these in the size 39, so these are nice and perfect, and it's having gold detailing right here, as you can see, some gold links to it. So this is the way it looks, and it's really amazing. I totally love the fit of this, and if you like this, you can just go check this out. I don't think they are in stock right now, but you can just check these out. I'll put all the links in description box. So here are my cute little flats, and honestly I love wearing these type sandals during this kind of weather, and honestly we can't wear it over there, we just wear some sneakers or something, but these are really comfortable. You can just go check these out. And next up I have is a cute little bag. So I recently got a new bag from ZARA. I also got another one last year. So I'm having sinus problems, so this is my everyday thing. So I recently got this mini tote bag, and it's a mini one, and there are 3 different colors. There's brown, black, and there's kind of dark brown like suede. So I got that one, and it's really cute. As you can see, it is nice and so cute. There's also a big version of these bags, so I got the suede one, and it's really very aesthetic. I can also add my letter here, like A and N, Michelle Antang, so I can just add there, but I don't know how much they do and where they do all of that. I think so last time when I asked, they were not doing it online, only maybe in stores. So I will recently get it done, maybe in a few months, or maybe let's see when. So the bag looks somewhat like this, and I did not even open it, I did not even unbox it. So it's really very cute, and I love the handle, I love the straps, I love this detailing right here. So it is somewhat like this with button right here. It doesn't have any zip closure, but it is nice. It also has straps inside. It also has some straps. You can use it in 2 ways. You can just hold it like this, or maybe use a crossbody. So I totally love this one, and I got this for 2,950. So I feel like it's really very expensive. I would have gone for a tote bag rather than a mini tote bag. So it is 2,950. So, and it says a medium size. So yes, it is a really cute. So I totally love this one, and it's suede. So you can see here, it looks really nice. So yes. So the next piece that I'm having is a beautiful top that I got recently. So this is the asymmetrical sequence top with gathered detailing right here, and this is totally my vibe. I totally love this one. So it's giving me Christmas vibes. So I got this, and it's really pretty. You can just pair up with a nice satin skirt. Honestly, I don't know how to pair this one. I'm really confused with it. So honestly, I just got this one and I just picked it up. So it's a silver top with fully sequenced. So actually I got a skirt with this I got a white satin skirt, but it was really very loose. I just picked up a size small. It was like too long and too loose on me, so I had to return it. And I totally love the detailing of this one. It's really nice. I haven't worn it not a single time. So I got this for 2200, and not that bad for this one. Honestly, even a 30 is worth the wait. So I just picked up this, and it's really very stunning. It's just giving me Christmas vibes. So here it is, and I can't wait to wear this one. So it's really nice and pretty, and I got this in a size medium. So in Zara, for top I wear medium, and for bottom I wear small. That's how it fits me. So here it is, very cute and stunning. So here you go. And moving on to the next one, I got myself this waistcoat with gold buttons. So this is the one that I was looking for, and it's in a burgundy, so burgundy type of purplish. So I got this one, and it's really very pretty. You can see the mini waistcoat out there. It's having 2 buttons, and it just reaches up to your waist. There's also a longer one with 3 buttons, I suppose. So this is really cute, and I already wore this for Christmas. So here it is. I got this in a size medium, so it's really a pretty one. It's honestly the best fit ever. Like, I totally love this piece a lot, and I honestly just love it. So the back looks somewhat like this, and it's a mini waistcoat. So it's kind of like maroon, purple, and every kind of like colors as per you go outside the weather. So it's somewhat like that, and I totally love it a lot. They also give me an extra button in case it just falls out. So even like a nice pair of shoes will go on top of it. I also got the skirt. So it's a pair, so I got the skirt as well. So basically it's a combined pleated skirt with a nice sheer detailing. So the down part looks somewhat like this. As you can see, it's really heavy to hold. So it looks somewhat like this. It's kind of transparent, and the on top looks somewhat like this. It's a knitted waistcoat. So sorry, it's a knitted combined skirt. I don't know what I'm talking recently. I don't know. So it's a pair, and I got both of those. You can also wear it as a waistcoat with a pair of jeans or a different kind of skirt, and I can pair this with a nice shirt as well. So I just got both of those. You can style it in different ways. So it's really nice. It's having a zip closure here, so it's having a zip on the side. So I got this in a size small, and it's really a tight fitted skirt. It's giving me a nice bodycon look. So it's really very long for me. The skirt is reaching to my ankle. As you can see, it's really long, and it's nice. So I just wore this for Christmas, and I totally love this one. And it's really very expensive. Honestly, it's really very expensive. So I got the skirt for like 4250, and the top, this top was for 2950. So it's really very expensive. It just came to 6,000 something. So here is the perfect thing that I got for Christmas this year, and this color is really in trend. So this burgundy is really trending now all over Instagram, all over YouTube. So I thought, like, why not go for this one? There are different colors as well, like white and black, also beige, I suppose, I don't know. But so I went for the burgundy. So really it's a nice one. So if you like it, just go check this out. It's maybe in stock as the sale, so maybe it's not. So I'll leave all the links in description box. So here it is. It is really very hot. Also I'm having sinus, so I just can't deal with my nose. It's really very itching to me. So moving on to the next one, I'm having this beautiful bodysuit with a satin bow. Honestly, I was eyeing this for months and months. I was like, should I get it? Because I honestly have the same top that I got last year, and I returned it because the fit was not perfect. So I was like, should I order this one? Should I order, or should I like not buy it because it's just a waste of money? And it's totally a nice one, and Zara never fails. So I just got this one. I just picked it up, and now it's on a sale. So it's 1,700, and I got this for 2,700 something. So I just picked this up, and beige is my favorite color, and the bow is also my kind of vibe now. So that's why I just went for this one, and the fit is perfect. Only thing, this part is really very loose, so it's just not very tight on the bottom. So honestly, it's just shy to even show you guys. So other than that, it's nice and perfect. I got the size in medium, and this was for, oh, it's 2,950. Oh my gosh, it is 2,950 guys. So now it is 1,700 something, and I got this for 2,950. Oh my god, it's so expensive, literally 30 pounds. So I would say I would give this a 7 out of 10 or 6 out of 10, because the fit from here is very loose. Like, you just don't feel something just hugging your body. It's really very loose. So the upper thing is nice and body fitted, but the down area is really very loose. Honestly, I just don't know how should I get it stitched or fixed or something. So it also has zip from behind. If you see it right here, there's a zip closure, so it just opens up like this. And if you like it, you can go check this out. I would not give a 10 on 10 for this, but the look is perfect. The look is really cute, just because of the bow. The bow is my favorite. So if you like it, you can just go check this out, guys. Here you go. So moving on to the last piece that I got is also my favorite and everyone else's favorite. So I recently just wore it, and everyone was like, wow, you're looking so good, you're looking so nice. And the next one that I'm having is again an asymmetrical top. Honestly, since almost a year and a half, I've been loving to wear like one shoulder tops or like tube tops or somewhat like this. I'm so very comfortable wearing them now. Previously, I never wore strappy tops outside. Like, I never wore it. My style was so boring. Recently, I've been loving to wear these kind of tops, like one shoulder or like, you know, tube tops or strappy tops. It looks so nice, I feel. So I just picked up this asymmetrical kind of washed black top. So it's having gathered detailing all around here. Almost every top from Zara has it. It's really very common to see all of that. And the front looks somewhat like this. So it's just a front flap. So I just got this one. So it's really very cute and body hugging. So honestly, I wore it once and everyone else loved it. I also got this in a size medium. So every top is medium and a bottom is small. Also, I picked up the pants from them, and it's a cord set. So I totally love this one, and it's perfect fit for me. So the size is really perfect. Honestly, it is I'm 5'4", so it just fits me perfect. Not that long, not that short. So it's really very nice, and the pants are really very comfortable. You can just like wear it. No need to worry like what you'll wear for bottoms, what jeans you'll wear on top of that, what skirt you'll pair with. So you can just like wear this and rush out. So I just got the pants as well, and it is the, what to say, I forgot the name of it. Honestly, I just forgot what I had to say. So it's a nice straight leg white jeans, straight leg white pants, and I picked up this gray and black because I felt like it will just go on everything. Also there's olive green and a beige as well, so I went for this color and it's really giving me good vibes. So you can just wear it for a nice occasion or something, or maybe for a day out, or for any sort of vacation. You can just pair up with flats. I feel sneakers won't go well, just a pair of flats will just look nice and stunning. So I got this one, and I think so I picked up this for also 2200, and the pants for like 2700ish. So my full budget for this Zara haul is like 15,000 cross. So everything is really amazing. I totally love each and every piece that I picked up, so you can go check these out. And the pants and the size for the pants are in small, so it's really nice and wide, and it's not that tight for me, so everything is just perfect. If you like this, you can just go check this out, guys. And here I come with the end of the Zara haul. Hope you guys liked it, and please comment down below which one is your favorite, so let me also know which one you liked. So please do like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next one. Till then, take care, bye.